Hello children, hope you all are safe. Okay, we are moving on to the last video of chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Now in this video, we will be dealing with reproductive health. Okay, we will start. Now, what do you mean by health? According to you, what is health? If you are not having any diseases, does it mean that your body is healthy? No, it's not so actually. Okay, health is actually a combination of your physical, your mental and your emotional well-being. All these three has to be well balanced. Then only you can tell that a person is healthy. Okay, so in order to be healthy, in order to keep your physical, mental and emotional status balanced, what can you do? As an adolescent, as a child who is passing through the stage of puberty, what all things can you do to keep yourself healthy? You know what all things you need to do? You need to just do three things. Just take care of three things. You can be healthy. Okay, so these three things we can see what are they. Okay, we are going to see what are the three things which can make you healthy. Okay, I will tell you what are the three things. Number one is nutrition. Number one is nutrition. Take care of your food. That is number one. Number two, it is personal hygiene. And number three, physical exercises. So, by taking care of these three things alone, nutrition, physical hygiene and exercises, physical exercises, personal hygiene and physical exercises, you can make your body healthy. Okay children, so the first one is nutrition. So now, what all things you have to take care in nutrition? When it comes to nutrition, you have to actually take care of again three things. What are the three things under nutrition? Number one, you have to take a well balanced diet. Okay, the food which you eat should be a well balanced diet. How will you check whether the food which you are eating is a well balanced diet or not? When you eat something, when you have a food for one time of a day, okay, just check that your food, whether it's having enough amount of carbohydrates, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins, etc. in them. If all these are in correct proportion, then you tell that you are eating a balanced diet. Okay, so just see this chart. All your nutrients should be at the correct proportion. Okay, then you tell that you are consuming a balanced diet, or else please change your diet. Okay, next, number two, whatever food you take, the food should be very rich in all the nutrients. Okay, the food you eat should have all the nutrients inside it. So take care of the nutrients in your food. Some food items will be giving you with more vitamins. Some food items like amla or gooseberry, jaggery, okay, all these things when you eat you will get a lot of iron into your body. Some fruits like lemon, then oranges and all will provide, they are citrus fruits, which will give lot of vitamin C into your body. When you eat meat, flesh, when you drink milk and all, you will be getting lot of vitamin B2 in your body. Like this, each and every food material will supplement your body with one or the other nutrient. So make sure you are eating different types of nutrients in your food. Don't consume the same type of nutrient always. Don't stick into that same nutrient always. Eat a variety of food items which can provide you with different nutrients so that your body will be getting all the nutrients in correct proportion. So, the cells of your body will be very active. Number three is you have to avoid or you have to reduce junk foods. Okay, number three is avoid or reduce junk foods. If you can't avoid it, kindly reduce. Okay, now why these junk foods are very dangerous? Why they are called as villains? You know why? Because most of your junk food have lot of preservatives inside it. They add lot of preservatives. I'll tell you one small common example. Ajinomoto. This is one example, okay? Don't think that Ajinomoto alone is there in all the food items. There are lots and lots of chemicals like this. Okay, all these chemicals, they are preservatives which will help in giving more taste to your food. It will help your food, it will increase the shelf life of most of the junk foods. So, please avoid the junk foods because they contain lot of harmful chemicals within them. Okay, so all these junk foods, once it enters into your stomach will feel it very difficult to digest them. And once it is digested, the nutrient content also will be very less. Your stomach will be having lot of pressure in digesting the junk food. Once it is digested, after doing all sorts of function, after doing all sorts of work, hectic work your stomach and intestine will be doing. After doing all this work, what will our intestine get as a result? Nutrients will be very less, or sometimes there will be no nutrients at all. So, the whole process done by your stomach and intestine will be just a waste. Okay, so please avoid junk foods. So, by taking care of all these things, your nutrition will be very much perfect. When you are eating healthy food, when you are eating balanced diet, by eating all the different types of nutrients and by avoiding junk food, your body's health will, the nutrient supply to your body will be very good, and that will help your body, your physical body, to be healthy. Okay. Next, second one is personal hygiene. Okay, what all things are there coming under this personal hygiene? What all things how you take care of yourself right from morning till the end of a day. What all things you do to keep yourself clean? Everything comes under personal hygiene. Daily morning you will be waking up, you will be brushing you will be washing your face, you will be washing your mouth, you will be brushing your teeth, you will be taking a bath, isn't it? You will be removing all your dirty clothes, you will be wearing new ones. All these are parts of your personal hygiene. Washing your hands before and after food, okay, cleaning your place, cleaning the utensils, helping your mother, all these comes under personal hygiene. What all things you do to keep yourself clean and your surrounding clean. Okay, now when you perform such good habits, your body will be very neat always. No microorganism can come and infect your body, especially bacteria. Okay, you know this adolescent age is an age where your body will be sweating a lot, I told. Isn't it? Your sweat glands will be very active. So, if you are not washing your body properly, what will happen? The sweat will be deposited in your body, and the microorganisms like bacteria and all can come and sit in this sweat. In that sebaceous gland, the oil, extra oil secreted from your body, there also the bacteria can come and sit, and from there the bacteria will cause certain infections. You will be getting itchings, you will be getting lots of small fungal infections, bacterial infections, etc. in your personal areas, in your armpits and all. So, please clean your body always. Okay, take a bath at least twice a day. Keep yourself clean. Always maintain personal hygiene. Okay, children? Yes. Number 3 is physical exercises. By performing physical exercises, you are not only keeping your body healthy, but you are keeping your mind also healthy. When you are doing physical exercises, yoga can also be included in it. Okay, when you are doing lots of physical exercises, what will happen? Your muscles, your bones, everything will become stronger. This is an age where your muscles and bones are actively growing. So, when you are doing physical exercises, they will become more stronger, they will become more prominent, they can grow at a faster rate, and they will become, and you will become more healthy. Okay, then practice yoga so that your mental health is also taken care at the same time. Okay, so what are the 3 things you have to take care for keeping yourself healthy? You have to take care of your nutrition. You have to keep yourself clean by maintaining personal hygiene, and number 3, always stay healthy by doing physical exercises. Okay, so these are the 3 things you have to take care of. Other than these 3 things, you have to be cautious on something else. You have to always say no to drugs At whichever age this villain come to you, you have to always say no to drugs. Okay, because these drugs are addictives. What do you mean by addictives or addiction? Means once you take them, you will always feel that you want them more and more. Such a substance you call it as an addictive. Okay, or you are addicted to that substance. Most of the drugs are like that. Smoking is an addiction. Okay, tobacco consumption, then alcohol consumption, all these are different types of addiction only. Okay, so always say no to drugs. It will help you to be more healthy. Normally, people start this type of addictions in their young age like this, in this adolescent age like this, and mainly due to peer pressure. Your friends will be compelling you to do this. See, you will be thinking, my friend is doing that, so why can't I? He is doing that, so let me check, let me do it. I'll just take a trial of it. You will start everything as a trial, but slowly it will become a habit. Okay, once it becomes a habit, it is very difficult to change. So, please say no to drugs. Okay. So, with that part is over. Now, we are going to study about a disease, okay, called as AIDS. 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 The full form of AIDS is Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. As the name indicates, immunodeficiency. What do you mean by immunodeficiency? Your immune system is lacking. The immunity of your body is being lost. Okay, your immune system is not enough to resist the other microbes enter. It is not at all enough. Your immune system is not at all efficient. That is the thing. Okay, the efficiency of your immune system will come down. Your immunity will come down. So, you will be getting all sorts of diseases. Okay, and this is caused by a virus called as human immunodeficiency virus, or in short you call it as HIV. So, this is the virus HIV. So, AIDS is a disease that can be caused by HIV. Okay, now once this AIDS patient, an AIDS patient will not die of a single disease. He will be dying of many diseases, because once your immune system is low, almost all the small diseases which can pass through your side, everything will enter into your body. Someone is sitting and sneezing near you, that microbe can enter your body easily through the air droplets. Someone is having some infectious diseases like skin infection, something. We are going and touching that particular area where that infection, bacterial infection or fungal infection is there. Immediately that infection can enter our body. Like that, each and every small minute infections which go through us, which go around us, can enter into our body, because your immune system will be very low. And an AIDS patient will die due to severe, he will be dying with lots and lots of diseases, severe diseases like this. Each and every minute disease can become severe for him. Okay, so for example, a small cold can become a pneumonia. Okay, in a small indigestion can cause diarrhea. Like that, every small diseases can become worse in an AIDS patient, and he or she will be dying of lots of diseases like this. Okay, now mainly this infectious virus or HIV can be transmitted from an infectious person to a healthy person by different methods. Okay, you call them as the modes of transmission. Now we can see which are the different modes of transmission of this HIV. Now see, HIV can be transmitted through, it can be transmitted by sexual contact. Unsafe sexual contact with multiple partners can cause this disease, AIDS. Number 2, it can be passed from a mother, pregnant mother can pass this infection to a child inside her womb by childbirth or through breastfeeding. Okay, so from mother to child it can be transmitted. Then by sharing injection needles or syringes. Okay, the syringe which is used for an infected person, without cleaning it, okay, without disinfecting it, if the same needle is used for a healthy person, the virus can be transmitted from the deceased to a healthy person. Nowadays in hospitals and all, this won't happen because we are using disposable needles. But those people who are addicted to drugs, okay, they will be sharing needles and all. They will be sitting together in one area and they will be sharing their needles and they will be sharing the drugs also. In such cases and all, this disease can be easily transmitted from one person to the next. Then sometimes due to occupational exposure can cause, okay, this AIDS disease. Next is blood transfusion or organ transplant. Okay, the blood which is taken from an infected person or an organ which is taken from an infected person, if it is given to a healthy person, definitely the disease can be transmitted from infected to an healthy person. Okay, so these are the different modes by which HIV can be transmitted from from an infected to a healthy person. Okay, hope this video was clear. So with this we are coming to an end of this chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. So hope you have studied the previous videos. Study this video also properly. So stay safe, study well, see you all. Bye.